and welcome to Gmail Productivity. My name is Josh Werner and I'll be leading you through this course. So let's go to Firefox and let's go to gmail.com. The first thing that I'm going to show you how to do today is we're going to create an account. So let's click on Create an Account. I'm going to type in my name. It's Josh Werner. And I'm going to do, I don't know, J Werner 2019 at Gmail. And let's see if that's available. Okay, and I'm going to put in a password. I'm not going to show you what it is. Just follow along with me and make a password. Okay, I'm going to hit next. Now, so if you get this error, it says that this username is taken. Try another. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Werner Josh 636 at Gmail. Okay, I have my password. I'm going to hit next. Make sure you write down your password. Okay, now what it's going to do is give you the option here to add your phone number, which I'm not going to do. You can add a recovery email address, which I'm not going to do either. You can answer this information if you want. I'm not going to do that right now. I know my password, and like I said, make sure you write down your password. Okay, I'm going to tell them my gender. I'm a male. Next. And they want my birthday. Okay, so let's do April 20th, 1985. Okay, I'm going to do next. I'm going to scroll through the terms. You're in control. They're talking about your data. Web activity. You can check or uncheck any of these that you want. I'm just going to click agree. Okay, and we'll wait here for it to populate. Bango. Now we get the welcome screen. So I'm going to hit next. And you can choose the layout. So you can do default, you can do comfortable, or you can do compact. I'm going to do default, and we will go through this soon to do that. Now, what I want you to do, they have a setup progress here. And so we're going to go through these steps right now. So first, we've created the account. Now we're going to choose a theme. So let's go and pick a theme. So I'm going to do, I like the beach. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Now, you can learn how to use Gmail. So they have tips and tricks here to show you a lot of the things that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to bypass this because I'm going to walk you through these. Okay, you can import contacts and mail. I'm not going to import anything right now. I'm going to hit cancel, get Gmail for mobile. What you can do is enter your phone number. You can visit on your mobile device, gmail.com, or you can go on your smartphone and just go to your app store and type in Gmail, and then you can download the application. Okay, you can change the profile image. I think I have one. Let me just see if I have one. Let me go to my computer here real quick. Actually, I think it's right here. Let's see if I can find it quick. If I can't, then I will not do this. I don't want to dawdle too long. Yep, I have it. Here we go. Now you know what I look like. Okay, so I'm going to crop this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to save that. And we've done 100% now. So when you hover over, you can see my beautiful face there. And so here's my account. It's WernerJosh636 at gmail.com. Okay, so the first thing I want to do here is they have a couple tabs here. So they have primary, social, and promotion. So let's click on promotions. And you can see right here they have junk. So let's delete that and delete this one. Okay, now let's go to social. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to delete both of these. If you click this X here, that'll delete it as well. Then I'm going to go to primary. And so Andy from Google is going to welcome us. So let's just click here real quick. and it gives you just a basic welcoming email, basically. So I'm going to click on delete. Now we have a clean inbox. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.